Hi guys, how's it going? In this tutorial, I will teach you how to build Voronoi in Grasshopper. First, let's have a look where can we find the Voronoi form in the world. The first image is thirsty light, looks like this, and city map connections, and city suburbs, animal skins, and the water cube facade. Let's see how to do it. We will quickly learn how to build this pattern in Grasshopper. I will add some more. I will quickly introduce it to you. The first step is we are gonna to build a rectangle shape here, and you can control the size of it. And then we use Voronoi battery to create the Voronoi form. And if we say this sign, you can see there are some points. It means we need to provide some points to make the Voronoi form. So I use populate 2D to create some random points. Let me show you. Not this one. Let me show this first. Okay, by using this battery, I create some points. And then use these points to create the Voronoi form. And then I'm gonna to find the centroid point of the Voronoi area battery. And these new green points are the centroid point. And I use this centroid point to create new Voronoi by using the skill battery. And you can see this smaller Voronoi. Okay, I'm gonna find discontinuity points on the curve. You can see these green points. I'm gonna create a circle through these points. Okay, and then I use this circle and the Voronoi line here, the outside line, and the boundary surface to create this surface. Okay guys, let's do it. First I'll have them all, and I'm going to show you step by step now. Okay, let's find the rectangle here from the curve options. Rectangle, and we can define the size of it. I just input 50 for X direction and 30 for Y direction. Select it. This is the size of it. Maybe I want it to be bigger. Okay, let's find the Voronoi battery. Okay, read this sign, and we need to build some random points first. Go to vector options and populate 2D. Okay, and you see from our Rhino windows, there are already some points. But the region of these points is not our rectangle, so we need to define the right boundary of it. Connect the rectangle to the region here, and you see all the points go to the right way. And then this is the count number. Maybe I input 40 and give it a number. You can increase your numbers or decrease your numbers of points. The next option is set. Let's see how it works. I can input any numbers here. I input 7. Okay, what it means? It means 6, 5, or 3 is another options for your points. It won't change anything, just affect the shape of it. If you want to increase your number of the points, you can do it here or decrease it. But this one will only help you to do another options. Okay? And then we connect them together, population to the points. We build the Voronoi, but the boundary of it is not our rectangle, so we need to define the boundary again. Connect the boundary to here, to the rectangle, and they go to the right way. Okay, and then we are going to find the centroid point of the Voronoi. Where should we go? We are using the area battery here. Okay, and you see here's the centroid options. Okay, this centroid point is different to the populate 2D points. They are different. Okay, and then we go to transform options, school. If we have a look here, the geometry of it is Voronoi, and you see we create some new Voronoi, but the centroid of the new Voronoi is 0.0. If we put our mouse here, you can read it. One locally defined value is 0.0.0. It means the default sighting is here, origin point. But we want our new Voronoi center point is the centroid point. So we connect them together. And now you see we create a smaller Voronoi. And the factor, the default sighting for the factor options is 0.5. You can input 0.6 or 0.3, depends on you. And now I can change the size of them. Cool. I use 0.7 maybe. Okay. And now we are going to do a new curve line. This is a straight line. We are going to do a new curve line. So we need to find all of these discontinuity points on the curve. Go to the curve options and find discontinuity battery. Okay, the geometry is this one, and connect to the curve, and I can find the new points on it. Connect them together, use NURBS curve, this one. Connect them together. You can see we create an open curve line, but we can change it from the periodic. If we right click and say side boolean, and we can choose choose. And now we create the closed curve. If you don't choose the true here, and we have another options, we can go to params and find boolean toggle. Double click it. You also can control your line opening. Cool. And the next step is use this line and the Voronoi line to create a surface between them. Okay, so if we want to create a surface, going to the surface options and use boundary surface. Connect them together. Hold your shift command, and then we can keep these two lines. And now you say it doesn't work. Do you know the reason? Because there is a dashed line and another line is double line. There will be some problem because the dashed line is a graphed number here. You need to remember a very important knowledge here. If we use the board, you can see all the numbers from this output. All the numbers here, they are in the different groups. Here's the first one is 0000 and 0001. They are in the different groups. But for the double line, it means, here, let's see. It means all the numbers in one group. Okay, there will be the different meaning for these two values and some problems for the different type of the numbers. So we need to keep them to the same way. And we can graft these numbers to be the group one, go to the size, and then using this command. And now if we connect this to here, you can see all the numbers already in the different group. Okay, if we try it now, let me disconnect it first. Hold your shift command to disconnect it. And I use this number here. Hold your shift command. Cool. Now we can create the surface, and you can bake it out. And you can edit it more. Maybe we use outside surface. Cool. Okay guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Do it by yourselves, and thank you for watching.